Welcome back to Get Fit by 50. I'm Mark Lee. This is my week 7 Get Fit by 50 weight loss results video. If this is your first time watching Get Fit by 50, then please hit like on this video and also click that subscribe button to be notified of new videos. And also please follow me on all the social media links that are in the description. You should also binge watch all the previous videos to get caught up. All right, so last week I lost 4.4 pounds for a total of 25.8 pounds in 6 weeks. I'm still plugging away. I'm about done with this COVID-19 crap. How about you? Of course. I mean, businesses, they need to open up soon or they may not ever open again. I mean, people need to be able to get back to work because $1,200 isn't going to cut it. If this lockdown lasts another month, then people are just going to be out on the streets and still have no toilet paper. I just wish I could snap my fingers and all this would go away. Yeah, that's better. If only it was that easy. All right, let's see what I did on week 7. On Wednesday, I did 8,261 steps. I ate 2,800 calories. That's because I ate an Arby's fish sandwich at 650 calories. And I also delivered mail and Amazon packages to my brother's house and had a few adult beverages that day too. So remember, you can see everything I eat each day in the MyFitnessPal online diary. And that link's in the description below. And on Thursday, I went up. I weighed in at 315.4 pounds pre-poo. It's from that Arby's food and that alcohol. So I did 7,632 in steps and ate 1,961 or 1,951 in calories. And on to Friday, still going up. I weighed in at 316.6 pounds pre-poo, and that's up 1.8 pounds since I weighed in on Wednesday morning. So I don't know, I may not lose any weight this week. I did 7,621 in steps and 1,154 calories I took in. So Saturday, I weighed in at 316 pounds flat pre-poo. So it's going back down, but that one screw up has its repercussions no matter what you do. So I did 7,398 steps and 1,484 calories I ate. Sunday, I weighed in at 314.8 pre-poo, and now we're back to what I started out the week with, so I'm starting from scratch right now. I did 8,847 in steps and ate 1,466 calories. And on Monday, I weighed in at 314.4 pounds pre-poo. I did 6,365 steps and ate 1,768 calories. Tuesday, I weighed in at 313.8 pounds pre-poo. I did 6,865 steps and ate 1,678 in calories. And we ended the week on Wednesday morning, like always, and I weighed in at 312.4 pounds pre-poo. Whew. I still lost some weight this week. I was getting scared for a little while there. So here's my stats for week 7. You can pause the video to look them over, but I did steps totaling 52,989, and I consumed 12,301 calories for the whole week. My total weight loss during week 7 was only 2.4 pounds. That's the lowest. That's a total of 28.2 in 7 weeks, which that's pretty damn good. It's an average of 4.03 pounds per week right now. So, that's the least amount of weight that I lost in a week so far, but I'm not discouraged yet. Not at all. When I don't lose any weight at all, that's when I'm going to do some re-evaluations of what I'm eating and what I'm doing. So till that stops, or until the weight stops, then I'm gonna keep on doing what I'm doing. So I'm gonna cut this short because I'm all of a sudden slammed with work. And oh yeah, be sure to check out my new how to stop chafing video. There's a lot of great info and funny stuff going on in that video, so definitely be sure to watch it if you haven't. And if you have, watch it again. So you can click up here to see it. Just click, yeah, up there somewhere. Anyway, I will get fit by 50 and lose 100 pounds or more. So thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Be safe out there and hit that subscribe button. And please remember to use your damn turn signals. Thanks for watching Get Fit by 50. Please subscribe to my channel and also follow us on the social links listed in the description below. And why don't you go ahead and watch another one of our videos.